Hello, my name is Vinay Barve, and today date is 12th of December 2023. And I was talking about the impact of COVID-19 or the life after the COVID-19. So basically, it's you can say it's a big disease that comes from the China, which are like some news are saying that it is come from the basically the human beings cutting a lot of trees, spreading a lot of pollutions there, and also there are some more things comes up while in case talking about the pollution, and also it has impact on many human lives. So basically, talking about the COVID, so there are some positive positive impacts and as well the negative impacts are there. So in case it is basically comes from China for you can say the cutting the unwanted animals and spreading the disease in front of public and also people who are basically doesn't know about what kind of pieces are there and what kind of hygienics are present in the food or not, or you can say the bad food basically due to the bad food these diseases are comes from the public, and it is spreading person to person like uh, like uh, this disease is foreign disease, and the foreign person if they are coming India by aeroplane or by any transportation. So the person who are affected by the COVID, they can spreading their own disease to the other person uh, by splitting in the wanted places, and also touching them, and they are not following the distance between the person to person. So due to this disease basically spreading, and it will harm a lot to the person who are being affected by the COVID-19, because it has diseases you are you don't you avoid food, you avoid a lot many things, and also the fever comes, and there are much more cup who are affecting, and who are the most probably things that is spreading the disease uh, by cup. So it has impact on many lives in the India. So let us talking about that. So basically, COVID-19 comes in the 2020, and it has impacted so many of people who are stay away from the home, who is lively, who are stay along with the family in the new city, and they are supposed to work to for the food. So basically, it is impacting on those family who are generally uh, labor or employed to the company. So in case while COVID-19 comes, the companies are being off, and due to this, there are major impact on the daily lives, because they are not earning that amount of money to fulfill their needs, to fulfill their they want, and also they are away from the home. Basically, like a rural area to city area, it has many impact on themselves, because they are not that type of stable or that type of comfortable while COVID-19 is coming up. So in case talking about while they are traveling or they are going back to the home, and it will there are no services are there, no services in case of buses, cars, and no one roads are totally being not busy with the traveling supports and transport support there. So due to this, they are facing a lot of problems and a lot of challenges over there. In case talking about, so they are traveling by their foot. So basically, it's on a human reports, and it will not if you travel from 1 to 2 kilometers, then it's okay. But traveling from 1 kilometer to 1,000 kilometers, it's on a big impact, and it will cause the human health problems. And if the person are reached successfully, by their food, but the public which is present on the rural area, or you can say on their villages, they are not accepting them, and they are facing too much of problem. They are supposed to be quarantined in presence of government, and for that government created a lot of impacted. Like suppose let me give some example. Like if a person who are affected by the COVID, so they are if they are affected, and if government knows, then ambulance comes and pick the person from their home and go to the hospital. Then it has you can see in the India, it is too much of big problem, because every person make the distance of them. They are not treated like a human. They are treated the person who are affected, they are culprit, and also they have too much of problems while living in their own area. So it has the one point about that. So and other colleges are shutting off, and also so let me give one example on the real time. When the COVID R comes, I am at the sixth semester, which is completed, but only exam are left there. So it would be the online, and I will go from Nagpur to my villages, and it will be traveling from you can say the person who are currently doing the engineering. They are supposed to live in with their family, or they don't got any type of placement because of the COVID-19, and they have only online structure are there, online projected are being created. So it will basically hamper the situation of the person who are really affected from the COVID-19. So basically all of the person who are affected, they are previous. So they are moving from present to previous things, which are being live with the family, live with the old friends, and it will enjoyable. But basically the person who are really affected and who are really got a lot of problems during the COVID-19, because of their jobs are getting off, and they are leaving their home by this disease, and also a lot of person at death. So it will too much of problems are there due to the COVID-19, and also there are major reason. If the person died by the COVID-19, they are not the family who are not supposed to see the their loved ones, and also it will hamper the human policies, because we are the Indians. We have a lot of emotion towards our family. We live for them. So basically, it will not possible to handle those or to handle those type of pain. And also COVID-19, basically it is impacted on many of the Indian people, because of they are facing by the banking problems. Most of the sector and most of the companies are turning off. So the earning comes from those a type of things. So it will be hamper and it will be turning off. So it will not occurring, and the companies looking for the employee who are basically doing the work from home, and also they are responsible for remote work as well. So company basically does not see the right candidate, and they are authorized, or they are appointing the person who are really don't know about about the skills and skill set. So it will suppose let me give some example like Cognizant or TCS, uh, they are doing the campus placement in the COVID-19, and they are hiring a lot of people who basically doesn't know the right skill. So after the COVID-19, it will hamper the rules, because of the recession in the IT. So it will cause they are hired too much of people, and they give a lot of time to training in case of them, because they didn't know that type of knowledge. But the person who are being basically does not have the job, so they are facing too much of problem after the COVID-19, because so they are not getting the right chance because of the recession, because the company are totally full, and totally they have employees. So a lot of MNCs does not hire because they have that capable amount of employees there. So it will a lot of problems created and bad impact of the student lives, because if they are capable and if they are good in their school skills, so if they are not got the right opportunity and they didn't got that selected because of the companies are totally full, so it will like impact on their, they are going to be in the depressions, stress. So it will like they need some anxiety because of like it will not worth it to like you, if you are capable and if you're not getting the right job there. So that is the one of most problems. And also in lives, like if the person, they are remotely work, and if they are after the COVID-19, if they are coming towards the office, and if they feel a lot of pressure because of it is offline now. So like in case spending a lot of time and spending 1 year with the family, and after that suddenly you can move towards the office which is offline, so it has a lot of problems created there, and the things are basically changes because of the COVID-19. It will have a lot of symptoms, or if but currently it is like current totally controlled by vaccinations, COVID-19 doses, and a lot of medicines are available in the market because of our scientists or our most of the superior person who are responsible to take a charge on themselves. So it will like cured soon, and it will not impact it, or it will not comes in the future because of the if you are vaccinated, then basically a lot of proteins or a lot of things are made inside you, so it will like you will be fine, or you will be like if you got this disease, so it has like you will be not that type of facing the problems by this disease. So that is the basically things about the COVID-19 after the COVID-19. So yeah, thank you so much for listening me. And if you have any type of errors, and if you have any types of doubts or problems there, you can reach out to me. Thank you so much.